Sturdy wire racks hold 7 full-size balls. Space-saving design fits easily in those underutilized tall and narrow wall areas in the garage, often between garage doors. Alternative side-by-side installation keeps balls at a low level for greater access for children. Holds up to 20 pounds per wire bracket when mounted into wall studs and utilizing all screw hole locations. Made primarily of a durable steel construction. Easy to install and convenient to use. Sports balls not included. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install, just take your time. I was concerned about sturdiness of rack based on other reviews. This was very easy to install on garage wall. To avoid breaking the plastic sleeves that connect the metal sections together, I lightly sprayed each metal tip with WD-40, then pushed them onto ends of rack sections. Next, had someone help hold the rack up. Line up the metal tips to plastic holes, then used a rubber mallet to lightly tap top of rack until the metal tips were secured into the plastic sleeves. Did this for each section, being careful not to let the rack move or bend. Rack is much sturdier once secure against the wall. Great product for the money, just take your time with the install winking face.